It's late, everything's quiet, and then your car alarm suddenly goes off for no clear reason. You grab the key, lock it, unlock it, it stops. Then few minutes later, there it goes again. Now it's not just annoying, it's confusing. You're standing there thinking, why does it keep triggering when nothing's even happening? If you're dealing with this on a Mercedes Benz, it's usually not random. The alarm system reacts to specific triggers, but sometimes those triggers aren't obvious. One common reason is a weak key fob battery. When the signal gets inconsistent, the system can misread it and trigger the alarm. Another possibility is a sensitive or faulty sensor like door, hood, or motion sensors picking up something incorrectly. There are also cases where the car battery is low and that causes the system to behave unpredictably. And yeah, even something like a door not fully closed can make the alarm think there's an intrusion. So instead of assuming it's a major issue, you just want to check each possible trigger and narrow it down. These are the fixes. Replace the key fob battery to ensure a stable signal. 2. Check all doors, trunk, and hood are fully closed. 3. Inspect interior motion sensors for anything triggering them. 4. Make sure the car battery is properly charged and stable. 5. Lock and unlock the car once to reset the alarm system. 6. If it continues, try disabling interior motion detection temporarily.